Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the clipboard in MS PowerPoint. So it is very much similar to the MS Word, the cut, copy, paste and the format painter. Now when you click on this and select it and copy it, now what will happen? It will go inside your clipboard. Now here you can see whichever text I have copied, it is in this cut, copy, paste. So there is a provision of 24 clipboards available in MS Office. Now if I open my Word file and if I select any of the lines and copy it, and again I will go inside my PowerPoint presentation, you can see here that text is available over here. Now what is the use of that? If I click enter another slide and if I want to paste that data from the MS Word, you can just copy that and paste it over here. So this is the useful thing because that 24 clipboards are shared between the MS PowerPoint, MS Word and the MS Excel. So if you want to copy anything from the MS Excel, then you can copy it from the MS Excel directly. So there is the only thing you have to do, you have to open the MS Excel, copy that and it will come inside your clipboard. Now if you want to insert a multiple shapes like this, if I want to insert a multiple shapes like this, I am going to insert mm, anything, any shapes I want like this. So I want all of them to be copied and I want them to be pasted whenever I want. So I will just click on them, click on the copy. Again I will click copy, I will click and copy. Now here you can see in the clipboard they all saved in the manner just like that. So if I enter another slide and now I want to insert this shape, just click over there and it will get pasted over there. So in this way you can use the multiple things inside your presentation or in your document. So that is the use of clipboard. Other things, that is the cut, copy, paste and the format painter, is similar to the MS Word. If you want to know more about it, you can just go inside MS Word tutorial in our channel and you can watch it. It is very much simple. If you want to cut it, you have to just select it, click on the cut and it will get cut. And if you want to paste it, just click on the copy and paste. And for format painter, if you want to copy this format to your this word, then you have to click on that word and click on the format painter and just do it like this. It will be converted into that format. So that is the use of cut, copy, paste and the format painter. But the only thing which is very much useful is the clipboard. So wherever you want, you can copy and paste it in any format of MS Office. If you want to copy it from the MS Word, it is allowed. And if you want to copy it from the MS Excel, it is also allowed. So that is the only thing which is very useful is the clipboard. It will save a 24 clipboard. If you save a 25th, the first one will be removed. That is the only thing. Thank you.